To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. There are 6 screws securing the housing. There is also a bolt that needs to be removed to remove the housing cover. Remove the screws securing the housing. You can use a Phillips head screwdriver or an 8mm hex nut driver. Using a 10mm hex nut driver, remove the bolt. Lift the housing. Remove the old filter and clean out the excess debris in the housing. Insert your new filter into the housing. Reinstall the housing. Reinstall the bolt. Make sure that the filter housing is secure. Reinstall the screws. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.